So this is vice versa, where India was at second position here. Now it is at 9th position. England was on first position. Now it is at 10th position. Australia was on third position. Now it's at 8th position. So this is from 1 to 10, and this is from 10 to 1. What is the lowest? The lowest was Afghanistan team with 10th position. Now it has come to first. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about the formula called rank. This can be used to rank a specific people, specific students or employees who are good at their ranking, who are good at their work. So if you want to rank anyone depending on some parameters, you can do that using this formula. So for today's example, I have this cricket team. So these are the ICC points which these cricket teams have, and now I want to rank them as per the highest ICC pointing should be ranked as 1, the lowest should be ranked as 10, and I'll also show you how to do it descending. This can also be done using a sort formula. You can just select the data and do a sorting of the points, but today we are going to learn how to use a rank formula and do it. So these are the teams, these are the points of the teams, and now you will now in this column you will understand how to rank them. So equal to RANK, rank, open brackets. Now it is asking me for a number, so I'll select this number, comma. Now it is asking me for a reference, so I need to give a reference to Excel. So these are the reference figures from which you need to derive whether this number is the highest or the lowest. I'll fix this with F4, comma. Now this order is into box bracket. If you, this is the optional option. If you don't put anything, it would be by default selected 0. So the highest number, the highest point would be ranked as 1. If you want it in ascending, you can say 1. So the lowest would be tagged as 1. I'll show you with 0 first, and then I'll show you with 1. So 0, close bracket. I'll copy this. I'll control V. See, now England is at rank 1 with 5253 points. Rank 2 is Indian team with 5211. Rank 3 is with Australia team 4320. Rank 4 is 4149 Sri Lanka, and so on. So while by selecting 0 we do it from 1 to 10. Now let's try by doing it the other side. So this is from min to max, and now let's try from max to min. So the formula is RANK, open bracket, the number, the reference, F4 to fix that, and here I'll put 1. So here England is at first position. Now here it will go at 10th position. So this is vice versa, where India was at second position here. Now it is at 9th position. England was on first position. Now it is at 10th position. Australia was on third position. Now it's at 8th position. So this is from 1 to 10, and this is from 10 to 1. What is the lowest? The lowest was Afghanistan team with 10th position. Now it has come to first position because we have selected 1 in this particular formula. So hope you understood this formula. If you have any questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to comment in this comment box. I'll definitely give you an answer about it. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload such videos, and please do take care of yourself. Bye.